Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you some of my favorite Asian American and Pacific Island beauty products, and I'm going to give you a beauty look and happy Asian American and Pacific Island Heritage Month. Okay, so I already have my base on, my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows on. So I'm going to just start using some of the AAPI beauty cosmetic products that I have with me. I have the One Size Patrick Starr Visionary palette. So Patrick Starr is Filipino and One Size is his brand. And then I have Patrick Ta here, and Patrick Ta is Vietnamese, and he has a whole line of like lip product, eyebrow product, and cheek product. And then I have here M by Michelle Phan, who is Vietnamese, and she has like a whole like makeup line of like eyes, face, lips, you name it. So she has like the whole deal going on. I'm also going to use one of these lashes here. These are false lashes made by local artists in Minnesota. So this one is Superficial by Sophia Thao, and this is made by MC. Now, Made by MC has her own lash glue, which is really cool. All right, so let's start with the eyes first, and I'm going to keep it pretty simple. I'm not going to go overboard with the look. So now this is One Size by Patrick Starr. So he's got like a lot of different colors here, and I'm going to use about 3 different colors, and one of them will be used as an eyeliner. So I'm going to start with this really nice warm color here, and I'm going to just add that like on the lid. And I'm just going to give myself like a nice smoky eye. So I just like to use my fingers on the lid here, and then I like to use a brush to blend it in. So it just gives me like a nice like natural blend. As you can see here, I'm going to do a little bit more of that color. And then after doing this color, I'm going to add another color on top of it. The next color I'm going to use is this one right here. So I'm going to use the brown. And I'm going to just add that on the lash line area and bringing it up a little bit to give me that smoky look. I'm just going to blend it with my previous brush that I was using with the other eyeshadow. I'm going to use a pencil brush, and I'm going to use the black eyeshadow here, and I'm going to use that as a liner. And I'm actually going to use the Made by MC lashes and the glue. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to actually line my lashes with the glue. It just is more of an easier application for me instead of putting the glue on the lashes and then gluing it on my lash line. So I'm going to just put the glue on my lash line here. Make life a little easier for me. I'm going to wait like a few seconds, and then I'm going to put my lashes on. Okay, so it's easy as that. This is a game changer for me when I put the glue on first on my skin as an eyeliner, especially if it comes in an application like this. Then I can put the lashes right on the glue. Alright, so let's do the other eye. Okay, now that I have my eyes on, I'm going to do some lips and then some cheeks. Okay, so I have this Cosmetic lip liner and a lip cushion, and I'm going to start with the lip liner first, and this is the Soft Blur Velvet Lip Liner in Kitten. And I'm going to use the Cosmetic Lip Cushion Tinted Luminizer in Venetian Rose. It is super hydrating and shiny. It has so much pigment to it. I'm going to do my cheeks with the Cosmetic liquid blush here, and this is a serum blush, and it is in the shade Pink Nectar, and all you need is a drop. Whoops, that was a little bit much. And I just added some of the Patrick Ta blush, and she's adorable. And I use that as like a light highlight. It has a little bit of shimmer in there, but it is a blush, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of some darker tones to the inner corners here. So I'm gonna go for this color here again and just give it some more depth. It's just going to make my eyes a little bit more rounded than it is, like, you know. So you can see here, it just gives me a little bit more roundness, and it just opens up my eyes a little bit more, especially for mono lids like mine. Okay, and I'm just gonna do this because I do not have bronzer from any of the Asian brands, so I'm going to use one of the eyeshadows from the Patrick Starr One Size and use it as a bronzer. Yeah, I'm going to improvise because you can do that. So I'm going to use Soft Serve here, and we'll see what it does. Okay, it might be a little bit pigmented, but I'll make it work. Might be a little too warm. But that's okay. It works. I'll just use a little bit here. Not too much. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit because that's what I do. So I'm going to use Taupe of Game, and I'm going to contour my nose. Oh yeah, that's a beautiful contouring shade here. Alright, so let's see. I'm just gonna do this to kind of blend it in. Okay, so this is my look, and isn't it beautiful? Yeah, so this is using all of the AAPI cosmetic product. Now, I did not have a foundation that fit in that category, but there are some beautiful foundation, like Cosmetic has foundation. She has like a cushion foundation, and then there is this brand specifically made for Asian skin, and it is called Orcé Cosmetic, and they have foundations, and it looks like they just have beautiful foundation. I just have not tried it yet. And there are a few other brands, and Patrick Starr, the one size brand, actually just came up with their foundation powder, so that's a great one to maybe try next time. And happy AAPI Heritage Month, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.